Hi there, and welcome to this practice. My name is Rodi, and I will guide you through a pranayama meditation. Find yourself a comfortable sitting position. I guess you can even do this lying on your back in Shavasana, or even sitting on a chair or on a couch. Just make sure you are really comfortable. Okay? We will be doing for this meditation, for this practice, Ujjayi pranayama. Ujjayi pranayama, it's breathing pattern that is slow, smooth and calm, and it is the breath that we do actually while we sleep unconsciously. So you can imagine how it's deeply relaxing and regenerating to the body. It is quite easy to do it. As I was saying, it's a natural pattern, it's a natural breath that our body does while we sleep. So our body actually knows what to do. Okay, we will find our comfortable position. It can be sitting, it can be lying. And we will inhale through the nostrils. I will explain it first and then we'll go ahead and practice. We'll inhale through the nostrils and we'll exhale through the mouth, doing the sound. Okay, it's also like slightly restricting the throat so that this sound comes out through the mouth wide open. Okay, we'll start like that. It is just a few steps to just get you into this breath. Okay, and inhale through the nostrils, exhale through the mouth with the sound. Inhale. 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 You can even close the eyes. A few more here. Okay, come back to a natural breath. Eyes closed. Open the eyes. So maybe you're thinking, well, I'm not breathing like that at night. Definitely I'm not opening my mouth wide open and exhale like that. That's true. So that is just the first part to get you into the feeling in your throat and the sound. Now we are going to do the same exact thing, inhaling through the nostrils and exhaling with the sound. But this time, this sound is gonna come. We are going to keep it inside. Okay, we are going to close the mouth, exhale through the nostrils. So inhale through the nostrils, exhale through the nostrils, mouth closed, lips closed, and with the same sound. This time we are keeping all of this vibration, this sound's vibration and the sound inside our throat and mouth. Okay, and there you are going to actually feel it and see that is kind of the thing and the breath that we are doing while sleeping. You can notice this if you have little children. Kids do breathe like this a lot, or even when you are close to someone that is sleeping. Just really pay attention and you will notice this kind of sound, that like slow and deep breath. Okay, so this time we are going to close, doing the same thing but with the mouth closed and exhaling through the nostrils. Okay, inhale through the nostrils, Exhale with the sound, but through the nostrils. So we are keeping the sound in the throat. The throat is slightly restricting. Okay, inhale. 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 Okay. We're going to do our little meditation right now. I just want you to notice while you do it, like for me, what happens, I feel like the sound that's coming out is the sound of the ocean, of the waves. So it's really, really calming. Just pay attention to this sound during this few minutes of meditation we are going to do. So the meditation is just us doing this breathing, slow and deep breathing with the sound into our throat and really paying attention to it. Okay? Find yourself the comfortable position if you are not doing it already. Eyes closed. Inhale through the nostrils. Exhale through the nostrils with the sound. Inhale. The whole body is relaxed. The muscles around the face are relaxed. The shoulders are relaxed. Inhale and exhale through the nostrils with the sound. Let's do a few more. After your next exhale, come back to a natural breath, keeping the eyes closed, attention inside, body is relaxed. Deep, deep and slow breath. Just observe how your breath did become slow and deep. Let's inhale and slowly open the eyes. Bring the palms together in front of your heart. Thank you so much for joining today, and I'll see you next time. Namaste. Have a wonderful day.